How to factory reset Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, 14, and 15 all models. Note: before you reset your phone, make sure you know your login information. Your Google account email address and password are required to restore your data after the reset. Don't forget to sign out of all Google accounts. Sign out of your Google and Xiaomi accounts before factory resetting your Xiaomi phone. Go to Settings. Sign out of your Xiaomi account. Tap Google, then select the Google account connected to your phone. Tap on Manage Accounts, then select the account you want to remove. Tap More, then tap Remove Account. Then tap Remove Account again to confirm. Factory Data Reset your Xiaomi phone. Go to Settings. Tap About Phone, then tap Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data, then tap Factory Reset. Note: all data and settings saved on your Xiaomi phone will be deleted. Tap OK to confirm. Your Xiaomi phone will automatically reset and reboot. After restarting, the phone will boot up like new. It will ask you to complete the setup process. Your Xiaomi phone has now been successfully factory reset. How to factory reset Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, 14, and 15 all models.